Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode of Auto Insights. Today, we're diving into the world of turbochargers, those powerful devices that give engines an extra boost. Let's get started. A turbocharger is a turbine-driven, forced induction device that increases an internal combustion engine's power output by forcing extra, compressed air into the combustion chamber. It is located between the exhaust manifold and the engine's air intake. Turbochargers are a type of forced induction system that compresses the air flowing into the car's engine. The advantage of compressing the air is that it lets the engine squeeze more air into a cylinder, and more air means that more fuel can be added. Therefore, you get more power from each explosion in each cylinder. A faulty turbocharger may cause poor acceleration, increased gas consumption, and excessive exhaust smoke. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the turbocharger-related error code. Short-distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. To save more money on car expenses, purchase an engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. If you love performance, fuel efficiency, or both, a turbocharged car might be perfect for you. Just remember to take care of it with regular maintenance. So, there you have it, a quick overview of how turbochargers work and why they're such an exciting piece of technology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive insights. Until next time, drive safe and stay turbocharged.